Good morning to you here on this Monday, June the 12th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. And we have a warmer and muggier weather setup that is now in place across the region. There's a look live during the 5 a.m. hour at Myrtle Beach. Pretty quiet morning here all across the region. No big weather issues out there for us. We'll look here in Greensboro as I cut the video. That eastern horizon just beginning to brighten a bit. And then finally in Charlotte, Dowd YMCA camera looking good this morning. Temperature in Charlotte 69 this hour. Again, this hour being 5 a.m. as I cut the video. Now look at yesterday's highs across the eastern part of the country, even back into the Plain States. 93 in Dodge City, Kansas City 91 for a high. Philadelphia 94, Richmond 94, and so it's a pretty hot setup over most of the eastern part of the country, and the Carolinas getting into that same type of heat as well. 93 in Fayetteville yesterday, 91 for a high in Columbia. It hit 90 in Raleigh, 88 in Charlotte, and 87 in Greensboro, even 81 in Boone yesterday. So southwesterly flow established across the region, bringing in this warmer and this muggier air. Now we look at what's happening across the lower 48. Had a lot of showers and thunderstorms down along the Gulf Coast yesterday. But the primary threat of severe weather today is going to be in the high plains states. In fact, it's a pretty significant threat for severe weather up that way. You're looking at even a Category 4 or moderate threat of severe weather in parts of Wyoming, westernmost Nebraska, and South Dakota. So a pretty dynamic storm system up that way. Now the radar in the Carolinas early this morning is quiet. Lingering areas of rain and a few thunderstorms in the northeastern Gulf and into parts of Florida. And it will be pretty convectively active across the Gulf Coast states again for today with some pretty good areas of showers and thunderstorms. Now here in the Carolinas, we're now at a setup that'll favor some scattered afternoon thunderstorms in the mountain areas. I think today and tomorrow too. Really, it is the mountains that's the favored zone for scattered thunderstorms. Cannot rule out a couple of showers or storms maybe drifting out of the mountains into the foothill areas, but that's going to be about it, I think, today and tomorrow. Southwest flow with us. Pretty warm weather setup out there across the region here for this Monday. So we'll take a peek at Skycast and we'll look at Greensboro this morning in terms of your Skycast with Triad area high temperatures in the upper 80s. Charlotte pretty similar, upper 80s to around 90. And tomorrow, much the same. A warm setup for Tuesday. There's our Tuesday highs across the region. Now, I believe starting Wednesday, that'll be when we have a better chance for some scattered thunderstorms in the Piedmont areas, in addition to the mountains and the foothills. And that same basic pattern of some scattered, mainly afternoon showers and storms will stick around for us really for the rest of the work week and on into the upcoming weekend as well. There's our Wednesday highs. There's Thursday's highs, a little bit cooler with more clouds, and again, those better areas of showers and thunderstorms working in. Tropics still very, very quiet, disorganized showers and thunderstorms over the Gulf of Mexico, not showing any signs of development. Now, occasionally some modeling has been trying to spin up some system in the Gulf of Mexico region or the Western Caribbean Sea over the next 10 days, toward a week to 10 days from now, but absolutely really nothing to write home about at this point. All right, if you're heading to the coast, not bad at all over the next day or two, but I do think as we get toward Wednesday and especially Thursday, better chances for some scattered showers and thunderstorms beginning to work on in. Mountains, a little different story, more convectively active there with scattered thunderstorms on a daily basis, most of them kind of focused, as you might expect, in the afternoon and into the early evening hours. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.